Hello student, I am Puja Kumari, your maths teacher. So how are you? I think you are fine at home. Don't go outside and use sanitizer also. Okay? Let's start. I want to teach you lesson 5, shapes and patterns. Lesson 5, shapes and patterns. So, what is shape? Many things around us that we see that is in the form of different shape. So, I want to tell you that different type of shape. What is that? Shape is divided into two parts. So that's why we see that different type of shape. Okay? Listen carefully. Shape is divided into two parts. One is plane shape and other is solid shape. Okay? What is the properties? First I want to tell you the example of plane shape. You have to see here triangle, square, rectangle, circle, oval. All these are the example of plane shape. And I tell you that the properties. So listen carefully. Properties of plane shape. First, different plane shape. You are also looking here. Different plane shape have different number of sides and corner. Okay? Different plane shape have different number of sides and corner. One of the line, the next properties, one of the line that make a flat or plane shape is called side. Again, that line, if you are drawing any line, plane or flat line, then that is called a side. Next, one point where two sides are meet or intersect, that is corner. It's a corner. Okay? Is it clear? This one is side. Okay? So, I want to tell you that this is the example of plane shape. So first, we have to clear about this also. All shape that we are drawing in a flat area, that is a plane shape. So, these are triangle, square, rectangle, circle, oval. In triangle have three sides. 1, 2, 3. And in triangle has three corners. 1, 2, 3. Okay? In square has four sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In square has four corners also. 1, 2, 3, 4. All four sides are equal to each other. That's why we say it's square. Okay? Next is rectangle. Rectangle also has four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it also has four corners also. 1, 2, 3, 4. But square and rectangle both are different, because square has all four sides are equal, but in rectangle only opposite sides are equal. Okay? In circle it doesn't have any side and doesn't have any corner. In oval also, it doesn't have any side and it doesn't have any corner. So, all solid shape, the object that occupy space, that is called solid shapes. Okay, listen carefully. The object that can occupy space, that is called solid shapes. In solid shape, one more thing is there. The faces, edges and vertices. Listen again. In solid shape, one more thing is there is faces, edges and vertices. So I already drawn on the board some example also. So we have to see. Cube, cuboid, cone, sphere and cylinder. In cube, you have to see the cube and cuboid are something is similar, but they are not similar. Listen carefully why they are not similar. You have to see the faces of the cube and the faces of the cuboid, they are different. So you have to learn this type. Okay. So this one is cube and whose face is something different, different length and breadth, and you have to say different faces, edges. That is a cuboid. I want to tell you that in cube we already see the many things around us. The example of cube is dice. Okay, and next is cuboid. The example of solid shape in cuboid, we have to see that almirah, bed, anything other, etc. The next is cone. We have to see the example of cone in around us, that is ice cream cone, birthday cap and other etc. Okay, so next is a sphere. A sphere, you have to see many things around us, that you have to see that ball and many other things that is in a sphere shapes. That is a sphere. What the shape that is? That is a sphere. Okay. The next is cylinder. In cylinder, you have to see many things around us. Glass. You see glass? Okay. So what is the shape of glass? The shape of glass is in cylinder. Okay. So all these are the example of solid shape. Okay. So next is rolling and sliding. The object is in round shape, then it will be roll. Okay. And if object in flat shape, then it will be slide. So in this way you have to know the rolling and sliding. It's okay. So you have to see also if anything in round shape like a ball, and you want to slide, then it will be slide in a roll way. Okay, that is rolling, you have to say also. But when anything in flat way, that's you have to say like a box or anything, when it will be, you want to do slide, then it will be slide. It's not possible that it will roll. So that's why it's a rolling and it's sliding. The next is line. So when you are small kid, then you are using your pencil, you are drawing anything in any way. Okay, but in class 1 you have to know that line is divided into two parts. One is straight line, one is curved line. When you go through the straight line, it will be straight. You see, it will be straight. If you are drawing in any way, it will be straight. But in curved line, it will any way. It's not a straight. So this is a straight line, this is a curved line. Okay, so you have to see that you have to differentiate also all these in. If I give you any straight line, then you have to mark, man, it's a straight line. And if I give you a curved line in figure, then you have to say that it's a curved line. Okay, so this is the straight line and curved line. Next is pattern. Pattern is a definite sequence of any shape, figure, numbers, etc. So when we are looking in this sequence, you have to see this is the circle and triangle. Circle and triangle is given here. So what will be come in next? So after triangle, what is the here? After triangle, circle is coming. So after triangle, circle will come, and after circle, triangle will come. Okay. Next sequence M, W, M. Then what will be the next? So W will come because after M, W is coming. So after M, W will come. Okay. So here after W, what will be the come? So here I already drawn here. So you don't have any problem. But in copy you have to see carefully what will be the next. You see this sequence of this pattern. Okay. Then you go through the answer. So after M, W will come because after W, M is coming. So what will be the next? After M, W will come. So after W, M will come. Okay. Here in this next sequence, straight line, cross, straight line, cross. So what will the become in next? So already I had drawn here straight and cross. So you don't have any problem, but in copy you have to look carefully about this sequence, because what will become, what is the sequence of pattern is given here, you go through the answer like this way. Okay. So you go through the answer on that way only. Okay. So many thing is given in your book also. You go through that book also, and you carefully have to just read that pattern and whatever the question is given. Okay. So you already learned about shapes and patterns. Okay, so you have to do study according to your book also. First you look carefully all videos, and then you have to do your book work or copy work. Okay, take care, bye, all the best. Okay, have a nice day. God bless you, all of you.